Yeah, these tins are nice. No, look at that. Nope, so it is.
Now this is going to be interesting because I think the rest of the balls are behind here. No. Well, that's kind of interesting, isn't it? There's a factory mark there. 8 something C or C -8 for it's not a -8 car, it's a 114. And we've got to look inside there. We'll just check that for wear. See, it's a bit dirty. And just remove the ball bearing there. Got that little roller race. Just careful with that one. Have a look under the light. Well, we've had a bit of a look at the pitman shaft. This is why I could feel wear in the box before we pulled it to pieces. The teeth themselves quite badly worn on one side. but not the other. But right in the middle, in the driving position, that's where your car spends most of its time. The teeth are starting to wear into the hard facing, and that won't last much longer like that. So I'll have to talk to the customer about ordering a new one, unless he's got another good second-hand one we can use. It'd have to be better than this. As you can see, there's also wear rings on the shaft. That's where the seals have been running. We don't want to see that at all. I'll give him a call this afternoon and see what he says. Okay.